Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of July 2026 on Monday. A familiar friend revealed himself as a how sinks deeper into the airbase. So all hell breaks loose between Fikile and Madlala, who get into a physical altercation on Tuesday. Nkazimulo cracks under a news and Matenten attention. Kwanjamane is left droning in grief after a brutal massacre, while Fikile is left broken when Spu turned his back on her. On Wednesday, the new sheriff in town reduces Nkazimulo and Geja to size of a peanut. Skiti narrowly escapes death at the hands of a trusted ally. Cash Money wants an impossible invention from Nkazimulo on Thursday. Following the fall of Nkunzi, Amantaliana invaded the Mhlongo house, trapping Nkazimulo into continuing to use his skills to track a mysterious ship carrying precious cargo. Mondli sees Flavia as a symbol of courage for stepping up, but her statement is of no use without physical evidence. On Friday, Nkunzi is cut off as Matenten steps in and takes control of Nkazimulo's world, whilst Wu converses a scene that threatens his calling. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.